Today let's learn how to do binary multiplication. So the rules which we will follow are 0 into 0, this will be equal to 0, 0 into 1, this will be 0, 1 into 0, again 0, 1 into 1, this will be 1. So here, as we use in normal multiplication, the rules are that. So let's understand this taking an example. Suppose we want to multiply 101 into 1 1. So 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. Here we'll cross it. 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. Now we will add all these digits as we do in binary addition. So here it will be 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is again 1, and this 1. So this is how we do binary multiplication. Let's take one more example. Suppose we take the number 1 1 1 1 into 1 0 1. So here 1 ones are 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are again 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Now 0, the next digit is 0, so all will be 0. So 0 0 0, and here also 0. Now again 1, so 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, again 1 ones are 1. Now let's add all the digits. So here 1, 1 plus 0 again 1, 1 plus 0 1, again 1 plus 1 1 0, so 0 and 1 carry, 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0 plus 0 again 1 0, 1 0 plus 1, it will be 1 1, so 1 1 carry, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1 0, so 0 and 1 carry, again 1 plus 1, this will be 1 0. So this is the answer, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. Let's take one more example. The multiplication process rules are same, but what we do in we have to do addition, there we have to follow the rules. Let's take one more example. 1 0 0 1 into 1 1 1. So 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. Again 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. Again 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. Now let's add all these digits. So 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, again 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, again 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, and here again 1. So this is how we do binary multiplication. Next we will do binary division, how to divide. So let's take a number Suppose we divide 110 by 10. So 10, this will go 1 times 10. Now find the difference. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1, this is 0. Now again this 0 will come down. So this will go again 1 time. 10 into 10. So now the remainder is 0. So our answer will be 1, 1. Let's take one more example. Suppose we divide 1, 1, 1, 1 by 1, 0, 0. So this will go, as here 3 digits, so we will first take this 3 digits. So 1 time this will go 1, 0, 0. Let's subtract this. 1 minus 0, this is 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. And this now 1 will come down. Again this will go 1 time. So this is 1, 0, 0. Let's subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So now here we got a remainder which is less than your divisor. So we will stop over here. Your answer will be 1, 1. Let's take one more example. Suppose we divide 1, 1, 0, 0 by 1, 1. So this will go 1 times 11, 1, 1. So this is 0. Again this is 0. Now one more 0 will come down. Here 0 and one more 0. So this will go 0 times, and one more 0. So we write down over here 0. So this is how we do binary division and multiplication.